Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about a new crypto asset which I think it has huge potential. This asset is blockchain domains. So what is blockchain domains? Well, basically blockchain domains are domains on a blockchain, quite similar to the traditional domains but with a few differences. The first difference is that blockchain domain can be used as a payment gateway. And that means that you can attach all your cryptocurrency addresses to a single domain, which improves the experience for crypto payment by replacing long, complicated addresses with a single, easy-to-read human name. And this will speed up the adoption of crypto. The second benefit of blockchain domains is that you can build censorship-resistant websites on them, which means that nobody can seize your domain or your content simply because your domain is stored in your wallet just like a cryptocurrency and is only accessible with your private key. And you can imagine how helpful this would be for the global freedom of speech. And also, once you have acquired the blockchain domain, you own it for life and there is no extra cost for you to use it, like the web hosting cost in the traditional domains. So the question to be asked here, why this asset is a valuable asset? Well, we all have heard about those domains, .com domains that were sold for millions of dollars, like carinsurance.com was sold for around $50 million. And just in 2018, a crypto company bought the domain crypto.com for $12 million from a cryptographer who bought it back in the 90s for few dollars. So the potential of making money on blockchain domains is huge. And of course, all depends on the adoption of the blockchain technology, but we are still in early days here. And if you are watching blockchain domain industry, you surely have noticed that the adoption is going in the right direction. Now let me explain how you can get those domains. In order to acquire one of those domains, you will need to go to unstoppabledomains.com. And just a brief explanation on what Unstoppable Domains is. It is basically a San Francisco-based software company. It's been around for 3 years and it's building domains on blockchains. They have already launched 3 blockchain domain extensions so far. The first one was .zil, the second one was .eth, and lately they launched the .crypto extension. And according to many crypto experts, the .crypto is the most valuable one you can compare to the .com in the traditional domains. And this is what you should be focusing on, guys. So now let me show you how you can acquire one of these domains. We go to unstoppabledomains.com, and as you can see, guys, here I'm actually logged in, but for you will have to sign up first, and you will find the button here. You click on that and you sign up, and then you're good to go. Once you have signed up, you start searching for the domains that you are interested in, and in order to search for domain, you just click here, and let's look for the domain dividend.crypto. Yeah, as you can see here, guys, the domain is premium, which means that it's not available right now. It will be available for sale at a later time. And if we scroll down here, we can see that they give us some other options we can choose from. And for the .crypto domains, the price starts from $40 and it can goes up to several thousands. but for the premium ones the price will probably be higher than 40, because 40, as I said, is the minimum amount. So let me just, for instance, look for another domain that is available. We look, for instance, for Stockholm exchange dot crypto. We search for that one, and you can see here it's available. And let's say if I want to buy this one, I will add it to cart, and then yeah, just follow the process here, and you check out here. And as you can see here, you have a bunch of different ways to pay. You can pay with card, you can pay with PayPal or crypto. Yeah, you see it here. So I usually use the card. It's very straightforward. It takes just a few seconds to finish the process of payment. And just I want to mention here that once you have bought the domain, you should not leave it here, because the domain is still registered on this website. And what you want to do is you want to save it on your wallet. So what you do here is you go to you click here on the menu, you go to my domains, and then click on manage, and then click on manage, and then you claim that domain. You click on claim, and you connect to your wallet to this website, and then the domain will be registered on your wallet. You can compare this one with, for instance, if you own Bitcoin but you have it on an exchange, then you don't really own it because you don't have the key. If you don't own the key, you don't own your crypto. The same thing here. So this is how you do, and if you guys decide to invest in this asset, then you should set up your budget upfront, because there is a risk that you end up spending more money than you have initially intended to, and it's not good. Especially this is more for the long-term investment than just buy and sell. You can still make money from buying and selling, but it's not a big profit. It's more if you hold it for a long time, and we assume that the blockchain domains get more adoption, and then those domains will probably be worth quite a lot. And that brings me to the last point of this video, and it is about how to find these valuable domains. You should pick up a niche that you think that the companies within that niche would be interested in acquiring a blockchain domain, either now or in the future. And in my opinion, I think finance, tech, and gaming are going to be among the first ones to acquire blockchain domains. Of course, together with the crypto industry itself, because if anyone going to use blockchain domains, then it will be crypto companies, because they are within the same industry. But like I said, tech, finance, and gaming, I think they are probably going to be among the first ones to acquire blockchain domains. And this because when we look at the crypto industry, we see a lot of collaborations between crypto projects and companies within these niches. So once you picked up your niche, you should look for the most valuable search terms in that niche. And just before I forget, if you want to sell your domains, then the most useful websites for that are the OpenSea.io and Rarible.com. I'll leave the link in the description. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.